lie detector challenge, which is not that popular but very much fun. Yes, actually I and Sneha will be having 4 sets of statements. Each set will be containing 3 statements. Among the 3 statements, 2 are truth and 1 is a lie. So she has to guess, the opposite one has to guess which one is the lie among all the 3 statements.
Yeah, and then vice versa. Yeah,
vice versa. So another twist.
We will do that alternatively, and the twist is that if someone will guess the if someone will not be able to tell that which one of the 3 statements is a lie, then she has to take a bite of this chili. We have never tried chili.
I have never tried. Really, I literally throw the chutney of the momos because that is too spicy. I have never taken that chili like this. I've never done.
I have also never done. So we are very scared. Hopefully, we don't know each other's questions.
Oh my
also.
God, please,
Okay,
so,
without any further delay, watch us dying.
Yeah, watch us die.
Okay, so we are back with the questions.
Yes. So we have milk, as you know, precaution, and 5 to 6 chilies here. Yeah. So who will start first?
You start.
Yeah. Okay, I'll start. So first question. She literally doesn't know what type of questions I have.
Yeah, boy.
Okay. I continuously pinched a boy sitting beside me as I wanted him to complain about me. Okay. I vomited in school intentionally as I didn't like school. I was really scared of the imaginary dark room made by my teacher.
You never pinched a boy. Yeah, that's the lie.
No, that's not the lie. I continuously pinched a boy in class 1. I
have to take a bite.
If he will be seeing this, he will be hating me for this. Okay. The second one is wrong. I intentionally never vomited in school. That I had a tendency. Yeah, you had. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Bigger one. No, bigger. Yeah, that much. It sounds like. Sneha. Sorry. Don't drink everything. The second one, oh my god.
Okay. After dogs, my favorite animal is lion. Before blue, my favorite color was pink, and I have. Okay, wait, it hurts. Sorry. Okay, so I have tried being a vegetarian for more than 2 times. My voice has changed.
I know this. The first one, she doesn't like lion after dogs. She like cats.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yeah, that's true.
Oh my god, I'm safe.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Yeah. I don't want to get married ever.
Abbe sale.
I love kids. I like living relationships more than marriage.
Last one. You don't like living in a relationship.
I don't like at all.
Yeah. So now it's my turn.
Yeah.
I have eaten beef once. My first aim was to become a teacher. I was born at sharp 7:55 a.m.
Okay, that is you have never taken beef.
Yeah.
Yeah?
How did you know this?
Because you said it to me 3 days ago, and you said that Sonu Mamu wala incident and said that I have not taken, you both have taken like this.
Yeah. Now it's your turn.
So, okay, I am the second eldest among all of my parental side cousins.
Okay.
I am the youngest girl of our family. I have total 9 brothers as my close cousins.
Or last one. You don't have 9 brothers as your close cousins.
I have 9 brothers as my close cousins. first one is wrong. I'm not the second eldest. Dipshu Bhaina is the second eldest. He's
Okay.
11 months older to me. And I call him Dipshu Bhaina. You also know him. How you don't know? I don't.
Suddenly he didn't come to my mind.
Yeah. Bigger one. The whole one you take now.
Oh.
Oh my god, I don't know literally how it will taste. God save me from this punishment. I'm literally.
I'm gonna drink your milk.
She's drinking my milk. What shall I drink now? Save it for later. If you'll answer again a wrong question.
Please. Okay, now it's my turn.
Yeah.
Swimming is, what are you seeing?
I'm sorry.
Swimming is one of my favorite hobbies. I usually don't sleep before 1:30 a.m. I love writing poetries.
You don't love writing poetries. You just
Yeah.
hate poetries.
ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए हाँ लुट
But you want to become a Hindi kavi.
Stop now. Don't say that now, please. Okay, so
I know
that
your
was-
secrets.
So obviously you know. So yeah, that was the lie. Now it's your turn.
Okay, the last one.
Still hurts. I just want
You
to
have all the
go.
questions over?
No, I have one left.
Oh my god, I'm still in the danger zone.
My voice has changed.
I hated pizza and tandoori and didn't taste it for 2 to 3 years. I hate lizards the most
Yes,
and
you
I'm
do.
scared of those also.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Yeah.
I hate many people and have said them on their face. It bored me.
You, the first one, pizza and tandoori chicken one.
Yeah, when I was a kid, I totally took 2 pieces of tandoori and 3 to 4 slices of pizza and I vomited for 5 days and I started hating them.
Yeah. So now it's my turn. Hopefully she tells the wrong one.
I will
say
not
yes.
tell. I will not tell.
Okay. So once I ate an entire large pizza myself. I love playing volleyball. I have never tried green lipstick.
Oh, I know this. You don't like you know that second one, volleyball one. Because you have sent the picture with the green lipstick to me only, the first one. Then this first one was what?
A large pizza.
Large pizza. On New Year only you said you had to eat 2 large pizzas alone.
Yesterday only I ate slices of pizza.
Oh yeah, yesterday only. I just took 3 slices I guess and she took 8 slices of the whole large pizza.
So yeah.
But my, stop me. So, if you liked Sneha's dedication of eating chili and this video, so like, share and hit that subscribe button.
And also hit the bell icon to never miss another update from Shinetics. And also comment down below if you want a part 2 of this video. Hopefully Twinkle will eat some chilies then. And also thank you so much for 100 subs.
Oh my god, we're so happy.
We didn't expect this.
Yeah,
so
to
early.
happen. I literally didn't expect to happen this so soon because we have started once and it was an epic fail as we said in our introduction video.
Yeah.
So
Also follow us on Instagram. Link in the description box below. You can follow Shinetics at Shinetics.
Janvi the Great and Priyankita.
Link in the description as I said earlier. And yeah.
See you super soon.